Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your personal information on Equifax, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your personal information on Equifax, begin by visiting the official Equifax website. Look for the personal section on the homepage. Click on Credit Report. Next, find the option for Check Your Credit. Click on Sign Up or Create an Account. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, address. Set up a secure password for your account. Once your account is created, log in using your email and password. You may be prompted to answer security questions to verify your identity. Ensure that you answer these questions accurately. After successfully verifying your identity, you will gain access to your credit report. Review your personal information carefully, including your name, address, and any associated accounts. If you notice any discrepancies, follow the instructions on the site to dispute incorrect information. For changes or updates, navigate to the relevant section indicated for modifying personal details. Submit any necessary documents to support your changes if prompted. After submitting your changes, keep track of your request status. Equifax may take several days to process any updates or disputes. Once completed, you will receive a confirmation regarding any changes made to your report. Regularly monitor your account for future accuracy to maintain your credit health. This process ensures that your personal information on Equifax is verified and accurate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.